welcome to my live case break. This is Larry. We are doing Prizm Anthology number 35, and guess what? There is no random for remaining teams. We are going straight to ripping. Good luck, everybody. Well, I've been so busy. I don't think I've worked as hard as I'm working now since law school. Maybe my first job after law school. No random, John. Sold out organically. Got to get your teams now because it's becoming more demand this break every week. But the good news is we are changing this break a little bit. I can tell you that probably next week we're going to have on Monday a break that does not have all Prizm. It's going to be a mix of basketball products. It's going to be a little bit lower and a little bit less expensive. And then on Tuesday night we're going to have two breaks. We're going to have it's going to be 2-box break, 18-19 hobby and 19-20 hobby. One's going to be pick your team, one's going to be random. That's going to be a 2-break Tuesday. So we got Wade, Baldwin, Dario Saric. Look at this for the Raptors. Pascal Siakam, the Raptors, Stevie C. Getting some work in early. Let me know if you want to grade that, Stevie. That's one I would grade, but I'm just letting you know. Stevie getting some early work in. Whiteside, Tristan Thompson. Nothing else. I like it a lot. Look at Stevie starting out hot with an HAWT. Drummond, Lowry, Cousins. Oh, look at this for the Nugs. Jamal Murray. Nuggets go to Jaren. I know he's going to want to grade that. That's one of his guys. Jamal Murray for Jaren. Stevie came throwing strikes. And the Suns, we have a Devin Booker red. That's borderline gradable for Craig. We'll see if he wants to grade that. Who knows? Russell Westbrook, Marquise Chris, Dragon Bender, Tyler Eulis, and Jabari Parker. Dragon Bender is a funny joke between me and Bates, so it's sad he's not here. Eric Bledsoe, Victor Oladipo. We got an auto coming up, guys. And then we got a Jaylen Brown. Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. That goes to Lee. Lee can let me know if he wants to grade that. But it's a nice card. And we got an auto Taurean Prince rookie for the Hawks. Hawks go to Matt. Nice one there. Nice red rookie for the Bucks. Malcolm Brogdon. Bucks are Greg Nemo. Greg, it's another one I would grade. It's been a great box. I can recap it for you at the end. Moutier, Gobert, Barnes, Gortat, and for Bates, Buddy Hield. Very good box of Mosaic, Steven. I'll recap it for you. We had a Taurean Prince auto, a Brogdon red, Jaylen Brown, Jamal Murray, Siakam, and Buddy Hield. So pretty sick for a 3-pack box. I don't know that I'm going. I don't think I'm going to New Jersey in the midst of flu season. I just don't think that's happening. I like Brogdon. I'm going to look up to what it sells for, Greg. I don't believe I am, Greg. Unless things change substantially, I will not be there. First of all, I've never seen snow to this point. So I'm not running to the National to get diseased to have that happen. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on it. A lot of people are gonna pass on it. It's not gonna just be me. I agree, but I'm just not. I'd rather go somewhere warm. I have a casino here. You know, if they were smart, they would have moved the damn thing to Orlando in December. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Yeah, agree. The only thing fun about AC is Stevie. Wayne Selden, our auto for the Knicks. Frank McKinley. Knicks, Matt D. Nice one, bud. Laurie Markkanen for the Bulls. Zach Collins. Lonzo for the Lakers. And now we got a rookie pink. It is nice. Big card. Matt and Willie hitting a monster. John Collins pink out of 50. That is a flexer. Beautiful card. Stevie, don't you remember the free spins? 21 out of 50. It's pretty nicely centered. That's a hell of a card. Big money there. Stevie, don't you remember the free spins? Yes. Stevie's like, just take the jackpot. It's 3 in the morning. I want to go to bed. Zach Collins. Russell Westbrook. Blue, Mindaugas Kuzminskis. Jordan Bell. Ben McLemore. Russell Westbrook. Kemba Walker red. Just take the jackpot. I just want to go to bed. Yes. So then afterwards, Stevie hits it like the next day. And afterwards, we're asking the lady, would you take the jackpot? She goes, never take the jackpot. Always take the free spins. I'm like, thanks, Stevie. AC will be just fine when it reopens. Sports betting is saving it. DeMarcus Cousins. Sindarius Thornwell. Well, another nice card. I mean, he's not much now, but he could come back. Mr. Bateson. Blue DSJ. Out of 175 for the Mavs. Furk. Trevor Ariza, Tyler Lydon, Manu Ginobili, Danny Green, Damian Lillard, Wes Iwundu, Chris Dunn, Semi Ojelele, Luke Kennard, and Austin Reavers. Austin Reavers. Alright, let's see if we can get some loo. I agree. Mike, don't worry. Can I make a prediction for you? They're going to have to legalize pot and betting and gambling of all forms to pay for the corona. Mark my words. Something has got to give to pay for this corona. So we did hit a Lulu last week. Let's see if we can have a 2-week Lulu streak here for Bates. Yes, they're going to have to pay for the corona. And the only way is to tax sin. That's not legal here. We got nothing legal in Florida. We got nothing legal. We got Indian gambling and that's it. Slots and cards. Donovan Mitchell, red wave for the Jazz. Al Horford, silver. Michael Porter, emergent green. Hamidou Diallo, Zaire Smith, silver. There's a Lulu freshman phenoms for Bates. Not quite the Lulu we're looking for, but not bad. Buddy Hield, silver. Chandler Hutchinson. LeBron James for the Lakers. Anthony Melton Green for the Rockets. Josh Okogie for the Timberwolves. Aaron Holiday for the Pacers. It's a nice Aaron Holiday silver for the Pacers. Pacers, I believe, are Stevie C. This is not a gradable one, Stevie. It is off-center, but still not a bad card. Good enough for me to put in the sleeve. Miles Bridges, Zanan Musa, Oscar Robertson. All right, let's see what the other half of the box has. Oh, Lulu is here! Let me just take a quick picture for Bates. We have had the arrival of Lulu. I haven't been to Biloxi since before Katrina. No, but I collect them together for you. I'm going to ship you one large shipment. Evan Turner silver. Jaren Jackson for the Grizz. That is off-center, but a nice card. Nick Batum, Melvin Frazier, Karl Malone. Silver, Donovan Mitchell. Not bad for the Jazz. Goes to Tim P. Troy Brown, Colin Sexton for the Cavs. That's well-centered. Nice card for Joe P. Michael Porter. Scottie Pippen. There is the Lulu. Nice card for Bates. We've got a Melvin Frazier. Silver auto for the Magic. Magic are Gary A. John Stockton silver for the Jazz. Get Hyped, Embiid. Green, Jamal Murray. That is pretty good starter boxes, considering our two biggest boxes are still here with us. And guys, the other thing is we've had several complaints that no one has access to the Pelicans because no one was buying them before for the most part, so Bates started buying them. Now people want them. So what we are going to do, we are going to raise the price of the Pelicans to a level where if you want them, God bless you. If not, they're going to wind up in the random. PSA which cards? The Mitchell? Okay, you got it. The silver is close. The red, definitely I would. The silver, roll the dice. It may or may not 10. I spoke with him about it. He's not upset about it. So that is what's going to happen. Then no one will be able to say they don't have a shot at them. But I can tell you that more than half the time, at a lower price point, the Grizzlies, the Pelicans were going into the random. And we were winding up with them. All right, there's our auto. It's Kyle Guy. This guy. For the Kings, Craig B. LeBron James for the Lakers. That goes to Greg. Tremont Waters for the Celtics. There is a Mitchell Robinson. That is Black Velocity out of 39 for the Knicks. Matt D. Cool looking card, actually. Silver Paul George. Darius Garland. Silver James Harden. Orange Lonzo for the Pelicans. That goes to Bates. Kobe White for the Bulls. Nice one for Thomas R. If there's anything you guys want graded, let me know. Terry Rozier. Terry Rozier Silver. Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. Nikola Jokic. Orange Jordan Clarkson for the Cavs. Admiral Schofield. Anthony Davis. Grade LeBron. You got it. Let me dig him out. Some of the inserts I think are beautiful. They always have good inserts, so I think the heart cards are so nice. The My House ones I like too. LaMarcus Aldridge Silver, Kevin Jelly, Paul George. There is a blue Jokic Elite Dominators. That is out of 49 for the Nuggets. Cam Reddish for the Hawks. Ben Simmons Silver for the Sixers. Marcus Smart for the Sixers. Nasir Little for the Blazers. There's a Ja Morant for Greg. Kyrie Green for the Nets. Silver Bobo for the Nuggets. Quandary Weatherspoon. There's a LeBron for Greg. Off center, let me know if you want to grade it. Westbrook and Clarkson. Let me sleeve these two for Tim. And then we'll get to our hobby box. You want... Greg, let me know if you want that LeBron graded. Alright, it's Prizm Hobby time. You got it, Thomas. Let me dig it out for you. It was towards the beginning, I think. There he is. Yeah, that one looks to be pretty well centered. Slightly off left to right, but I would sub it. Alright, let's see what Prizm holds. Pack numero uno. Servetus for the Pistons. There's a nice Cam Reddish for the Hawks. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Blue. It's at a 199. Not bad. Magic or Gary A. Admiral Schofield Hyper. Magic Johnson. Got an auto coming up here, guys. Cabangeli. Markel Fultz. There's a vet auto. Kenny Skywalker for the Knicks. Luck of the lottery. John Morant for Greg. Quindary Witherspoon. DeAndre Ayton, Red Wave. Chris Paul, Silver. Ty Jerome. Whoa! Hawks having a break. Really a little upset, but really nice. Cam Reddish, Silver. Matt and Willie having a great show with the Hawks tonight. He had a Cam Reddish base in there that will probably sub also. Nice Cam Reddish Silver. Courtney Lee for the Mavs. Damian Lillard. Isaiah Roby. Jamal Murray. It's been a Jamal Murray kind of break. Jamal Murray red out of 299. We've had several Jamal Murray parallels. And then look at this. Got a good box here, guys. Red Wave R.J. Barrett for the Knicks. Matt D. Really nice card. Looks to be fairly well centered. Shield's a little off, but I'd still sub it. R.J. Barrett, Red Wave. So, really had a nice set of boxes tonight. Let me straighten out this stack of cards. So many sleeved cards. Getting disorganized over here. Russell Westbrook. And Kobeist for the Lakers. Greg, let me know if you want to grade that. It's got a little schmutz in the bottom. Tim may be able to get that off. Slight schmutz. Rui Hachimura for the Wizards. That is Matt M. Nice card for you, bud. Dylan Windler. Terrence Ross. Whoa! Silver auto. Dennis Rodman. My goodness. Thomas. Nice hit for you, bud. Bulls uniform one sell. Wow. Curry. Having a good break. Let's see if we can get a Zion here. Or a Ja. This guy. Blue, Matthew Dellavedova for the Cavs. Derrick Rose, Jason Tatum. I'll do it after I finish. I will mark it. Nice card, man. Sekou for the Pistons. Silver Nurkic. Steve Nash for the Mavs. Kyle Lowry. Steph Curry. Got a red coming up. Smalagic, Malik Monk for the Hornets. J.J. Redick for the Pelicans. Charles Barkley. 3 packs left. Cam Johnson for the Suns. Jordan Poole. Wesley Matthews. Isaiah Thomas. There's a nice Kobe Fearless insert. Greg, that's another one that I need your opinion on. The red monk? Okay, you got it. Tremont Waters. Steven Adams, ice. For the Thunder, purple ice that goes to Ryan out of 149. James Harden for the Rockets, Kyrie Irving for the Nets. Last pack. Romeo Langford, Brett Zekas, nice silver Charles Barkley for Thomas with the Sixers. If you wanted to grade that, it is clean as can be, man. Nurkic, Steph Curry widescreen. And that's the break.